Carly Shay, and today I'm going to be showing you what I bring to school on a daily basis.
2, 3, let's go!
Okay, first things first, I'm sorry this is like 3 hours late. I totally forgot it was Sunday. I woke up this morning and was like, it's Saturday. No, it's not. It's Sunday. So this is a little late, and apologies if it seems a little rushed. So this is basically just going to be like my school supplies and other things that I like to bring to school. So my school has kind of a weird schedule. There's odd and even days. Odd days are like my odd periods. Evens are like my even periods. It's on Mondays and Thursdays. And then even days are on Thursdays and Fridays, and Wednesdays alternates. Okay, so on odd days I have Spanish, then geometry, and then science. My 7th period is off, so I get to go home after that, which is great. For Spanish, my teacher is having me set it up kind of a weird way, and I don't love it, but at least she let me use binders. I love using binders. Don't judge me for that. It just helps me stay organized. But basically, there's like 6 different tabs in there, and like they're all different parts of Spanish, and apparently I'm going to use that binder for all 3 or 4 years I end up taking for Spanish. I don't know. It is what it is. I can't really change it. That binder is also at school, so I can't really show you it right now. Nothing too interesting there. Moving on to geometry, this is how I like to set up most of my stuff. On the front, I have a little note card that has the class, the teacher's name, what period it is, and my name, of course. And then for the first section, without a tab, it's just kind of, where I put the syllabus or general information. Depends on what the class and what they give us and stuff. Then in the next tab, I'll have warm-ups. A lot of my classes have warm-ups at the beginning of the day. Math does, so there is a warm-up tab. And then after that is kind of just notes. I put them in timeline order just to keep it organized. And then at the final tab, it is just some lined paper and graph paper that I can grab from pretty easily. And then we do have a geometry workbook, which is like so boring. Someone couldn't come up with like a design at all to put in it. But it stays right back there in the back pocket. Now, I do not label any of my tabs because usually I reuse them until they fall apart. Now, science. Again, we have the note card in the front with all that information. Then, again, syllabuses and stuff. The general Unit 1, just stuff I like to keep at the front for easy access. Then behind the first tab is just general notes. We haven't done much yet. It's just in time order. The only thing that I might do is use little tabs, just the paper ones, to separate each unit. And then in the back, there's again some lined paper for me to use. All right, that is all for odd days. Let's move on to even days. My bag is here. The water bottle pocket, it's been about a week, and it's kind of falling apart. I just hope it stays together. I'll fix it. I'll probably have to resew it. So on even days, I have choir, then orchestra, then language arts, then social studies. It's a long day, sometimes I can get tired, but it's nice to start off my morning with some music. It's a fun way to start the day. Okay, so for choir, I just have a folder, again, with all that information on a note card, and it just has my music in here. We'll probably end up putting more stuff in here, but a folder is good, because usually all you end up needing is music. And then my orchestra one, again, just a folder. I do like that both of them have these fancy little tabby things if I ever need to, put something there. I don't know what I would. On the left, I have daily warm-ups, and then on the right, I have all the music we are playing. She emailed us with the supplies we needed beforehand, and I am so proud of this. And I've been too lazy to do it for the rest because the stickers are in the basement. But now I'm in the basement, so we'll do that after this video. Of course, the little note card on the front. I have just the general information there. Then a tab with all the work, just like all the others. And then in the back, there is some lined paper And in the front pocket, there is some notes I have from last year that I thought might be helpful and I might like to keep. So they're there in case I decide I need them. Then social studies, I absolutely despise how the teacher is making me do this. Now, I would do this with a binder. It'd be super easy. But no, we have a notebook and we tape stuff into the notebook. It's not logical at all and I hate it. First of all, on the front, we're supposed to print out a picture and stuff that represent us and glue it to the front, which I haven't done yet. I need to do that today. It's due tomorrow. And then on the front, back of that is our syllabus, and then the back there's more like general information stuff. That I would all put in the first tab. There you go. Easy to access, easy to find. Then we just started doing intro to world history stuff, and that would go in the next tab, and then use little paper stuff to organize it. And then we're doing on Wednesdays is like current event stuff. So then I would have a tab, and behind that would be all the current event stuff. But no, I have to tape stuff into a binder. I had a mental breakdown about it. I do not like doing it. Okay. So that is all the stuff I use for the classes. Now I'm going to show you kind of like the general stuff that I bring to school each and every day. I have this folder. It's labeled general. I also have a seminar class that I will have the same teacher and the same kids in it for all 4 years, just to like make sure I graduate with all the credits I need. Right now it's kind of like you don't do anything because like I'm a freshman, you know. But in this, I keep stuff for seminar in there, and then I have a bunch of stuff they give us: a map of the school, what day it is, the bell schedule, my schedule, locker stuff, you know, just like bunch of stuff in case I get lost or don't know what class I have. Kind of helpful to just carry around with me. Then I have my Chromebook. We bring this to school every day. I honestly do not use it in many classes, but I need to have it every day, and I charge it each and every night. Then I have my planner. This is the pumpkin planner I got online. I'm literally so obsessed with it. You should get it. I'm going to be doing a full in-depth review next week, so stay tuned for that. It is the Pumpkin Productivity Planner. It will be linked in the description if you already want to buy it without me even going into depth in it. You just trust me that much. Probably don't yet, but that's okay. And then I have 2 different pencil bags. I have one that has like colored pencils and stuff, and then I have one that I call my first aid kit. So my pencil bag, you know, it has markers, colored pencils, some colored pens, pencils, some tape, a glue stick, you know, just like stuff you need for projects. Okay, and then for the first aid kit, this is just like a makeup bag, and it's nice and small, fits in my bag really well. I have pads, of course. I don't personally use tampons, but you know, use tampons, throw some in there. I have a scrunchie in case my hair is driving me crazy. Little tiny deodorant. Duh. I have a chapstick, and then some makeup brushes and a little bit of powder in case, you know, I look absolutely terrible and I did not have time for makeup in the morning. And then some band-aids and bobby pins and some safety pins. The other day, the strap of my jumpsuit just literally fell off, and I did not have safety pins in there yet, and those bobby pins saved my life. I like bobby pinned it to my bra and to the other part of my jumpsuit. If not, I would have been walking around with no strap and this just like hanging over and you could totally see my bra. Bobby pins saved my life, even though safety pin would have been a lot better. Put safety pins in your bag, seriously. Also, I would recommend putting some like ibuprofen and stuff in here if your school allows me to. Mine does not. But I might try and sneak some in like an old lotion container. But you know, it's a good idea to have that in case you have really bad cramps, in case you get a headache, you know, in case like you start getting a stuffy nose, put some Sudafed in there. Like cold medicine, you know, it's just helpful to have so you feel prepared in case everything possible goes wrong. Of course, I always carry the book that I like to read in my bag in case I'm bored and I want to read and I don't have homework to do. So yeah, it's nice to keep in there. Then we have the front pocket. That's where I keep my phone throughout the day. And then I also have some money there, and a mask. Currently at school we do not have to wear masks. I honestly miss wearing them. There's so many people, but I am fully vaccinated, and currently with the Delta, you know, we might end up having to wear masks again. So that's in there in case they're like, you need to wear a mask. Why didn't you bring one? And like, I just didn't know. So that's in there just in case. Yeah, that is everything I bring to school on a daily basis. I hope this maybe helps you get some ideas on how you can organize your stuff, or, you know, just helps you get in that school productivity mood. I don't know. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget my song High School about me being nervous for high school, even though it's already started. I needed more time to write the song. Will be coming out this Friday, August 27th, so stay tuned for that. It'll be super fun, and I'm so excited for you guys to hear it. Alright, bye everyone. Dad totally missed the couch.